You can use command prompt to ping any website like a hacker, verify internet connectivity, diagnose connection issues, and measure response time. Here's how you can do it. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type the following command to ping a website. An example is youtube.com. The command ping youtube.com is used to test the connectivity between your computer and the server hosting YouTube. The command prompt will typically display information about response time, which is measured in milliseconds. It shows how long it took for the packet to travel to the server and back. Packet loss, which indicates if any packets did not receive a reply, which may suggest network issues. Time to leave represents the number of hoops the packet can pass through before being discarded. This command is helpful for checking if YouTube is reachable, identifying potential network delays, or diagnosing connectivity issues. You can use additional parameters to ping a website. This command sends continuous ping requests to the server hosting pinglog.txt with a specified packet size. The T flag tells the ping command to send ping requests continuously without stopping. Normally, a ping command sends 4 requests by default, but with T, it keeps sending requests until you manually stop it. L64 specifies the size of the packet being sent in bytes. In this case, each packet is 64 bytes in size. By default, the packet size for a ping request is 32 bytes. So using the L64 increases the packet size, which can help test the network's ability to handle larger packets. Press Ctrl+C to manually stop the process. Byte 64 indicates the size of the packet returned from the server, which matches the size specified in the command. Request timeout appears if no response is received from the server within a certain time, indicating a possible connectivity issue. Ping statistics provides a summary of the output. This helps in monitoring the server's response time over an extended period and can be useful for diagnosing network performance issues or detecting intermittent connectivity problems. For more advanced customization, redirect the output to a file for login. This command sends continuous ping request to google.com and saves the output to a text file. This symbol is a direction operator that sends the output of the command to a specified file instead of displaying it in the command prompt window. This specifies the path where the output will be saved. In this case, it saves the ping results to a file named pinglog.txt on the desktop of the user. Make sure to replace your username with your actual Windows username. If the file does not already exist, it will be created. If it does exist, the content will be overwritten. Let's navigate to the file to see the output. Select File Explorer, this PC, local disk C, users, your username, desktop, and double-click pinglog text file. This command is useful for logging network connectivity over time, which can help in diagnosing intermittent network issues, monitoring response times, or capturing any occurrences of connectivity loss. Create a batch file to automate the process. Open Notepad. Type Notepad in the search bar and select Notepad from the search results and add this script. At echo of turns off the display of commands in the command prompt. This means that the script will not show the actual commands being executed, only their outputs. It makes the script's output cleaner. Color 0A changes the text and background color of the command prompt. 0 is black for the background and A is light green for the text, giving a hacker-like appearance. Title Ping Like a Hacker sets the title of the command prompt window to Ping Like a Hacker, which appears at the top of the window. Here starts marks the beginning of the pinging loop. Ping Amazon.com N1 sends a single ping request to Amazon.com. The N1 flag specifies that only one ping should be sent each time. This line is executed repeatedly, pinging Amazon.com once in each iteration of the loop. Echo adds a blank line in the output for better readability. Go to start directs the script to go back to the start label, creating an infinite loop. Select file, save as. Choose the location to save the script and save the file as pinghacker.bat. Select all files as the file type and click Save. Now navigate to the location you saved the script. Open the file by double-clicking it. This script continuously pings Amazon.com in an infinite loop, displaying the results in a light green text color or a hacker-like effect. It mimics the appearance of old-school hacking scenes in movies, where the text scrolls continuously across the screen. This can be useful for basic network monitoring or just as a fun visual effect. To take it further and really give it that hacker vibe, you can use some additional tricks and techniques by customizing its color scheme. Type color 0A. This will change the text color to green, mimicking the classic hacker aesthetic. You can also change the title of command prompt window. Type title hacking in progress. This command will change the title of your command prompt to hacking in progress. You can open multiple command prompt windows to ping different websites at the same time. This makes it look like you are monitoring several networks simultaneously. By default, ping sends packets at 1 second intervals. You can adjust this using the parameter W. The W parameter sets the wait time in milliseconds, in this case 200 milliseconds. This makes the ping appear more rapid, almost like a network monitoring tool. This allows for real-time monitoring of your network connection. When pinning an IP address, you can attempt to resolve its hostname. The A option tells the ping command to resolve the IP address to its hostname. When you use this flag, the command will attempt to retrieve and display the domain name associated with the given IP address, if available. This provides a quick way to verify both connectivity and the correct resolution of an IP address to its host name, which can be helpful in ensuring you are connecting to the right server or service. To capture ICMP echo messages in hex format, install Wireshark. Open your preferred web browser and type download Wireshark. Visit the official Wireshark website and download the installer for your operating system. Open the downloaded file. Follow the installation prompts to set up Wireshark on your machine. The default settings works fine for our intention. Start a new captcha. Open Wireshark. You'll see a list of network interfaces. Select the interface you use to connect to the internet, example Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click on the selected interface to start capturing packets. Filter for ICMP traffic. In the top display filter bar, type ICMP and press enter. This filter will allow you to capture only ICMP packets, including echo requests and echo reply messages. Since we are already sending pings, let's select captured ICMP packets. Look for packets labeled as echo ping request or echo ping reply in the packet list pane. Expand the protocol details to view its details in the middle pane. 0 indicates reply, 8 indicates echo request. Expand the Internet Control Message Protocol section to see the specifics of the ICMP message, including type, code, checksum, identifier, and sequence number. The payload is the actual data sent in the ping request. It is represented in hexadecimal following the ICMP header. This allows for detailed analysis of network connectivity. This process demonstrates the structure of network packets.